case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1969, the Vermont Supreme Court heard the case Wheeler v. State, which centered on the constitutionality of a state charging non-resident taxpayers a higher income tax rate than residents. The plaintiff in the case was a New Hampshire resident and Vermont taxpayer who claimed that he was being unconstitutionally discriminated against. His argument stemmed from the fact that he paid a higher tax rate on his Vermont-earned income than a Vermont resident with the same income source. The plaintiff, employed as a salesman in Vermont and New Hampshire, appealed the decision of the lower court that denied his request for a reduction of tax levies on his Vermont-earned income. He argued that this higher tax rate violated his privileges and immunities under Article 4, Section 2 of the U.S. Constitution, and his right to equal protection under the 14th Amendment. At the time, the Vermont taxing procedure for 1966 applied the same process for Vermont, New Hampshire, and other derivation, determining the tax based on the percentage relationship between Vermont income and total income. Ultimately, the Vermont Supreme Court upheld the constitutionality of the state's taxing system, maintaining that the plaintiff failed to prove that the system was arbitrary or unreasonable in its classification, or that he received unfair treatment. The court found no violation of the equal protection and due process clauses and affirmed the lower court's decision.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.